In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a careers page with a job application form in the Wix editor. We'll be doing this inside Google Chrome, and the goal is to build a clean new page and place a ready-made Wix form onto it so visitors can start applying for opportunities directly from your site. This is a simple process, but taking it one click at a time will help everything go smoothly. To begin, open Google Chrome and launch the Wix Editor Tools suite for the website you want to work on. Once the editor loads, give it a moment so all of the design tools, panels, and page controls are fully available. Working in the editor inside Chrome helps make the layout tools responsive and easy to access, especially when you're moving between page settings and design elements. Next, go to the left side menu and click Pages and Menu. This is where you manage the structure of your website, including existing pages and any new pages you want to add. Inside that panel, click the option to add a new page. When the page options appear, choose a fresh blank canvas and title it Careers. Starting with a blank page is useful here because it gives you full control over the layout without bringing in extra sections you may not need. Naming the page Careers also makes your site navigation clearer and helps visitors immediately understand where to go if they're looking for job openings or application details. After the new page has been created, make sure you're actively viewing that careers page in the editor before adding anything to it. This is an important detail because it ensures the content goes exactly where you want it. Now move back to the left toolbar and click Add Elements. This panel contains the building blocks for your page, including text, images, buttons, decorative sections, and forms. From there, go into Contact and Forms, then select Wix Forms. Choose a job application form container and drop it onto the careers page. This gives you a strong starting point because Wix forms are designed to be easy to place and organize, and using a job application style container helps match the purpose of the page right away. Once the form is on the page, take a quick look at its placement and make sure it sits comfortably on the blank canvas. Keeping the layout clean at this stage will make the rest of your page easier to design later. That's it for this setup process. You've opened the Wix editor in Chrome, created a new blank careers page, and added a job application form container using Wix forms.